Good morning, afternoon, good night. Welcome back, guys. So, probably read the title. We're taking the Mustang to the track. So, it's an interesting packing situation as we've never really done this. But that's what we got. We got a pair of damaged D9R work wheels, some tools and a jack, and we're off in full stock form. I am nervous at how this is going to drive. However, we're currently just getting some spaces ready for the front, so we're actually going to test the spaces in this video as well, just to see the difference. And then once we get back, we're going to get into weights, track width, all the jazz with that. So hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully we don't end up in a wall. I guess we'll take a last little view of what she looks like, and I guess we'll see. Alright, so we're here. I'm definitely pulling my pants a little bit because this is about the nicest vehicle we have ever had here. And definitely most expensive vehicle we've had here. So we're going to literally throw cameras on and we're going for it. So the ESP is freaking out like something major. First problem, electronic stability control is freaking out straight away. So I'll try that again. ABS is freaking out. ABS is freaking out a little, so whoa. Might try some going the other way. my knee is already sore, smashing the door. I don't know. It's doing some funky stuff. We're gonna pull in, see if we can turn off some stuff.
What's it doing?
Oh, it's just being a Mustang. Alright, so I've pulled in. I think I'm going to see if I can pull a fuse out for potentially the electronic stability control. It's like it's not fully off. So we might do a quick Google and see if we can turn that fully off, because it seems to pull power. For a majority portion of that around was pretty good, but I tried to go out backwards, get on power, and it pulled throttle out. So I don't know what's going on there, but we're going to have a little fiddle. Alright.
Ooh, some disconnecting.
I think we need to, and I don't know which one it is.
How good's the no telling you what it is?
Yeah, it's a secret. Right. Okay, so it seems to all be off. The fuse box is a secret, so that's a little bit of a bummer. So I guess that's going to be for the next time. But for now, we're just going to deal with what we have, and yeah, we're just going to do it. Everything's off. The mode is it's in the racetrack mode. Traction's off. ESC is off. I did a little Google. It says it's off, so I don't quite know what's doing it. Maybe we haven't put fuel in this car since we got it, so maybe the previous owner put some lesser fuel in and it's noticing knock. So I'm guessing we're just gonna go and just drive around it. Luckily it's a quiet night at Archie, so we can kind of have our own bit of time out there. tyres because they're not doing anything. It's actually quite difficult. We're having no grip. We might put the 18s on and see how it goes. It actually does not mind a foot on, I will say that. The thing, you guys in America, you got no excuse. This wanted to do a pumpy. So, I don't know why you guys are not doing burnouts better on these cars, but this thing does a skid. We'll see if the whole system wigs out having small tyres on the back. Nicholas, my cameraman here. Okay, so the ECC has decided it wants to turn on. Okay, so we might be back on. It definitely doesn't like the old drifting. Bodie. Alright, so I'm pretty happy. It's a long fuel now, it's low on the tyres I'm guessing, so we need to get home, so I've got to save them. We only brought 2 spare tyres, so, and they weren't brand new, so saving them. A lot to do, but look, honestly, this car, with some spaces on the front, just dead stock suspension, it's doable. It's quite hard, but it's doable. So if you're out there thinking about getting a Mustang Drift, so far I'm pretty happy with it, but the mods begin now, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one.